on the greenhouse. I don't know if I showed you guys the last time I did a video. So we put the screen down at the bottom. So now that's screened in, and I took that panel off just for airflow. I'm not worried about water, and even if water went in there, it's not going to hit anything, so I'm not worried about that. So I just took it out just for more airflow. And before I go into the greenhouse and show you some updates, a lot of the stuff there, guys, is recycled. People threw it away, and I have a hard time like letting people throw away stuff that I see potential in, well, that I can use. If I can't use it, I probably won't pick it up. But I mean, guys, we have so much stuff, you know, that we dump out in the dumpsters that we should, before we throw it away, we should try to see, you know, put it on OfferUp or Let Go or Facebook for free to see if somebody can use it. You know, to you it might be junk, but to somebody else it has potential for something that they might want to do. And one of the things I want to talk about that my husband found today, and I was like shocked because I was so surprised, because I wanted to say like 2 weeks ago or 1 week ago, we were at Lowe's, and before he saw it, I was at Lowe's and I took a picture of it and showed it to my daughter, and I said, look, isn't that such a cute, because I like gnomes a lot, I'm like, isn't that such a cute bird bath? And she's like, Mommy, why don't you get it? I'm like, oh no, because it's not a water fountain. If it was a water fountain, I would get it. And it was like 50 bucks, $48 I think. So I'm like, no, it's okay, because I have one already in the front, you know. So I was like, no, it's okay. And then when I was at Lowe's, I showed it to my husband. I'm like, look, he's so cute, but I wish he was a water fountain. So then today, when he was driving around, someone threw it out. And nothing's wrong with it. It is not broken or nothing. It could use paint if that's what you want to do. But if you want to go for the rustic look, then you leave it alone. My daughter said, Mommy, don't paint it, leave it alone. I have red paint, you know, that I could touch it up and paint it up, but I actually like the way it looks. And it is so cute, guys. So I was so excited when I found it, because I couldn't believe it. I'm like, I can't believe you found that, and I had just told him that I liked it. So anyways, back to this. So guys, like I said, a lot of the stuff that I have in here, that how I made my shelves, were recycled. So next to my sister-in-law's house, people threw out wood, and I'm like, oh my gosh, wood, I can use wood. I'm always looking for wood for projects that I'm always doing. So I picked it up, and then I was looking at it, and then my mind started moving, and then I'm like, wait, I can use that as another shelf over here at the bottom, because I didn't have a shelf on this side. But I'm like, oh, but I don't want to build anything. So I thought, oh, I'll just see if it reaches from one shelf to the next and have the shelf support it. So that turned out perfectly. Then I had this 2x4 that they also threw out. So I'm like, oh, I can make a little tiny shelf, because I do not want to make overlapping shelves, because then it's going to take away from the light that they're going to get. So I just wanted to have a little small shelf where my small single plant, and I think it looks so cute. I just like walking in and looking at it, and just the idea that I'm recycling makes me like it even more. I don't know why, I can't explain it. It's just, I'm just like that. Then my husband also found this is I can't remember, it's compressed wood. It's part of, this is like garbage. I mean, if you wet it, it's gonna turn into garbage. But I lined it with contact paper, so I think when water goes on there, it should be fine. And I got these hooks here from Walmart. So I got these brackets here from Walmart, and so nothing heavy here, obviously, because this is not very strong. Just the way you see it. It probably can hold, I don't know, a few more little pots. But I really like the way it looks right there. And as you can see, they're getting sun, they're getting sun, they're getting sun. So everyone's getting sun. There's less there, but that's okay. And then I also went ahead and put this shelf. I was getting hot and a little bit lazy. I did not line this with clear contact paper, but I know I have to because then it's gonna just, you know, get all messed up. So, or I can just move the plants in water and then put them back up there. Either way. Anyways, guys, so let me just show you around. I will first now complain about this plant right here. You guys, I believe, saw me make this arrangement. I don't know what happened. I walked in today, and so the plant that was here is the same one as this one. And it is Pomadonis, I think. Echeveria Pomadonis. I think I'm saying that right. So that was here also. And it was behaving like if I had overwatered it. And I haven't. I know I haven't. I mean, this is completely dry. I'm like, I haven't watered it. Why is this happening? So I can't explain why it happened. I have no idea. So I'm just baffled and kind of frustrated because now it's just gonna mess me up to think, wait, should I wait longer to water my plants? What's happening? Is it too humid? What's going on? So I'm actually taking my time right now and watering my plants because they can recover from being, you know, a little bit dry, but they cannot recover from being overwatered, you know. So yeah, I'm being very careful, especially like with the fat ones and the jelly beans. A lot of jelly beans I had to cut out because the stems were rotting. So yeah, I'm just taking my time to water, unless I know that they're babies and they're growing and they need more water. So this is what I have going on over here. I have a lot of babies growing right now and they're doing good. I lost a lithop. I decided to bring them out here, and from being in 70 degrees to out here in the hot weather, humid, it like melted away. So I don't know if this is gonna make it. We'll see. But yeah, just learning my lesson here. Double-headed, I think. I think they're double-headed. Anyways, I didn't put a lot of thought into this video, guys. I just know that I wanted to show you guys my updates that I've done in here, and also I hope that this reaches you on time. Tomorrow, someone told me at Home Depot, the guy that puts out the plants, he told me that tomorrow is the Black Friday sale for plants. Tomorrow. So that he said that a lot of the plants are going to be on sale. So I'm going to be looking into that tomorrow and seeing what's going on. But anyways, guys, other than that, all my plants look happy except for that sad one that I lost today. I can't wait to put something in that pot. I love that pot. Oh, look at my Echeveria imbricata. Be good to me, don't die. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I've seen that I'm getting so many new subscribers. I appreciate you guys, and I like that you guys are interacting with me and, you know, talking to me and making comments. I really like that. I enjoy it. So I just want to thank you guys so much for taking the time out to comment on my videos and like them. So I hope you like this video. I'll show you one more thing that I forgot. I beheaded this beauty right here, and I don't know her name. I know that she's like a ruffled, I think it's Echeveria. I beheaded her because she was pretty tall out there in the sun, and she was really red. She's burning up a little bit because she's been in the shade right now because she has no roots. But she was currently like really pink and red. But once she gets roots, she's going back outside, and hopefully she gets that color again. And she's going to be my cute little girl here for now. So anyways, now it's official, guys. I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. God bless, guys.